Hello. Just to be clear, Fed chairmen and central bankers around the world do not care so much about growth. They are very much more concerned about inflation. Look at what the Federal Reserve Governor Michelle Bowman said. She needs to keep raising rates and tackle inflation. We're still far from achieving price stability. It may be necessary to tighten further. Doing so would likely lead up to subdued growth in economic activity. But I know it, and I don't care. I want to fight inflation. I hope this is clear for everyone.